Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shamika. I know it's me. It's Mika on the beat. As you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to give you guys my summertime glow routine. And what I decided to do was actually record my summertime glow routine in Florida. So I just recently had a little mini vacation. It was for my daughter's 5th birthday. We took her to Florida. We took her to Orlando. So she really enjoyed it. We just got back. So if I sound a little raspy, it's because I'm losing my voice. I don't know what it is. Every time I go to town and I come back, I lose my voice. It's freaking ridiculous. Okay. But anyways, I was contacted by this company called Duval. I'm probably going to say it wrong, but they wanted to send me out a spin brush, and I decided that I would review the spin brush. Like, why not? Yes, who doesn't like free stuff? Me. Anyways, they sent it to me, so I figured I'll show you guys how I do my summertime glow skincare routine. So as you can see, that is the brush over there. I'm just giving you guys a little preview of everything that I'm using. I'm also using the brand Pixie. They have a glow regimen, and I'm basically using a few items from that particular launch, or whatever you want to call it. So here's the brush. It's out of the box. I've been using it for a few days, and in the video when you guys see me doing my actual routine, I don't record the cleansing process of it, but this is what I usually do. So this is the brand, this is the brush. I really like it. It takes 4 AA batteries. Normally they only take about 2, the ones I've had previously, but this one takes 4. Nevertheless, it comes with these 4 brushes. Well, 3 of them are a brush with bristles, and 1 is this pumic stone. I've never used the pumic stone. The big one I would use for my body, and the little ones I use on my face. 1 to cleanse my face, and then I use 1 to use my glow serum. I am really on a strict skincare cleansing regimen, so I went to I don't know if it's an esthetician or whatever, and I had some acne breakouts and stuff like that. So this is only what I've been using on my face for the past 3 months, and that's it to get my skin looking right. So it's actually for acne. I was having a real bad breakout, so they gave me the acne wash. I got the it's like lotion or whatever, but it's not lotion. What is it? I forgot the name of it. And then that in the silver container is actually the acne medicine that I put on my face. Once I'm done with all of that, then I go in with the spin brush again, and I do the glow regimen that I use. So next clip, you guys, is me in Florida, and I'm actually showing you guys what I did for my trip in Florida. Okay, so I'm starting out, and yes, I put the face mask in the refrigerator because I read the back of it, and it says store in fridge for a refreshing and depuffing effect, which I really felt like I needed because I had woke up and you got puffiness in your face, and I wanted to do a nice little cooling face mask, go to the pool and relax, and why not put it in the refrigerator? I know it's going to feel amazing. I'm in Florida. It's like 97 degrees, and so doing it like this is like amazing. So try this, guys, for this summer. Put it in the refrigerator for a cooling effect. It's depuffing and everything. It feels really, really good. But right now I'm just showing you guys how it looks out of the package. It's like all folded up with all of the product and everything all on it, so you can just put it on your face. It's not like a mud mask or something where you need a brush or anything like that. So that's very good, especially when you're taking your face mask out of town. Save the other stuff for when you're at home. So I started out recording with the camera facing this way, and I didn't know if I would like this angle. Bear with me, guys. I am not at home where I normally am to record and set up things how I would normally do it. So I'm doing it to the best of my ability. So I'm just going to take this mask. I have pre-cleansed my face like I stated in the beginning of the video, and I showed you guys what I used, but this is all about the glow, girl. This is all about the glow. So I already cleansed my face and brushed my teeth and everything. So I'm going to place the mask all over my face. And then I'm going to get in the shower and put my swimsuit and everything like that on with the mask still on. It just lets it sit on there for as long as possible. And it's like feeling really, really good. I really like this mask. It only comes 3 in the box. This is my second one, so I'm going to do another one like after the 4th of July. So then I decided to turn the camera around and face it this way. So I'm trying to show you guys what I'm going to be using in this particular skincare routine. Here's the man of the hour, the brush. I do have a coupon code for you guys to go purchase this brush. You get about, I don't know, I think it's like 70% off. I don't know. It's really, really nice. I think it's something you guys should order. It came really fast in the mail. I did not have to wait that long. So once I peel this mask off, you can see the product is kind of probably all on my face and it's seeped into my pores. And I'm just pressing it in, the product into my skin. You do not have to wash your face after this. You can just press the product into your skin. I take a warm towel and I just kind of just like help press it all into my skin. My skin feels really good and cool, you know, and things like that. So then I'm going to take the cleansing gel. Now this is the... Bear with me because I'm getting my stuff and I'm reading. So this is the Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel with morcillin and glycolic acid in it. So it doesn't burn. It's not tingling or anything. So I just took the brush. I squirted on the brush, put it on the brush, and just like push it all over my face. It feels good. And I really like how it made my skin glow naturally after this particular treatment. So I think if you're going out of town and you're going to those hot climates, you know, just glowing is pretty much good. I brought all my makeup stuff, girl, and I didn't even do my damn makeup because it was just too hot for all that. It's too hot for all that. So once I rinse that off of my face, I just put some warm water, kind of rinsed it off my face, and then I pressed it all into my skin with that same warm towel. And then I take the Glow Stick. Now this is like a moisturizer on your face, but it helps with the glow. This is actually called On The Glow Multi-Use Moisturizing Stick. So that's what this is. It says Baton Hydrant Multi-Use. So once I put that all over my face, and now I feel like my skin is moisturized. It feels super clean. It feels like it's dewy, like I don't feel dried out or anything like that. Next, I'm just going to basically get ready and go to the pool. So I think this type of glow routine, just going to the beach or to the pool, is like perfect. All I did was put some mascara on, some lip gloss, and I kind of tapped the ends of my eyebrows because I don't have any. But nothing major. And this is basically me at the pool with my daughter, and I'm just trying to give you guys a close-up of my skin. It's doing really good. I just had on some little lip gloss, and that was it. I really like this type of routine. Felt very refreshing. Don't forget to check down in the description box if you guys want to purchase this. I have to leave the link, and you can use my coupon code to get you some money off, girl.
Lauren.
So say hi to my daughter and her cousin. They had a wonderful time. Bye.